Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be talking about top four best free video editing software which you can use. So without any delay, let's start. So the first thing about the video is there is three stages of editing. So the first stage is the beginner's editing. So the beginner's editing software which I recommend over here is Shortcut. Shortcut is an editing software which I recommend for the beginners or the people who just started editing. So I'll just show you here. Yeah, Shortcut. It's the best app for beginners or the people who just started editing. So what happens in this software is this interface. The interface of Shortcut is very user friendly. So we can see over here in the features, it can export up to 4K resolution. So it supports the latest audio. You can just read this over here if you want, and it has most of the things which a standard video editor needs or editing software needs. So any software, any app should have a user-friendly interface where the user should be able to understand the software or app. So Shortcut is the best for them who just started editing, but don't underestimate its name. Okay, don't underestimate its name by Shortcut. You can just see over here. It's like so much video effects. You can give the video effects, as you can see over here. This thing is over here. Where you can use the contrast effects, etc. And here editing features, you can see trimming, cut, copy, paste. It's very easy in this. So it's a cross-platform software you can use in Linux, Apple and iOS, Apple and Windows, Mac. And you can use this dual screen monitor if you have. And hardware support is pretty much everything. You might have modern itself, so it might support yours. It will support yours, by the way. So you saw here, if you want, you can go to the tutorials and you can just view over here how to do and how to see. If you want me to explain it, comment down below and I'll make another video. So the second one is VSDC. So which is also a beginner editing software, but this is where basic things. Here you don't need to know any basic things. You'll just figure it out by seeing it. But over here you need to know basic things, like you will know the basic things. And it's a it pretty much has everything a standard video editing software needs. It has more options and functions than Shortcut, and almost everything for editing montages, vlogs and etc. And then you can see over here, it's pretty much user interface friendly, like a friendly thing. You can easily add object, video effects, audio effects. It's pretty much way easier. But I use a different editing software. If you want to know what I use, I'll come to it soon. So you can see it also has 4 types of editors in it: video editor, video converter, audio converter and audio CD grabber. So it's fully free. All of them, all of these which I have told have been linked in the description, have links in the description, so you can go check them out. Then comes the third kind. Actually there is two kinds of these. This HitFilm Express is the thing. It just ate my head. I could not do an easy montage just clipping them. It was so hard. I don't actually recommend this because it's not that user friendly. It doesn't have that user friendly interface. This is where I found my many problems. Finding textures, effects and audio editing was difficult for me. But if you are a pro editor and you have used Premiere Pro and your subscription has expired, you can install this. It's pretty much a very good, like, it's for professional use. But you most of the time, if you use like these things, you use the filmmaking things and streaming things, you can buy it. It's not that much costly also. The last time I checked, like 3 weeks ago, it was 4 million, but people are downloading this, where you just can see it's pretty complicated over here. So yeah, the next last comes DaVinci Resolve 16, the best of the best. Right now, here is the best of the best thing. That's why I switched. Even I had Premiere Pro, but it was kind of difficult for me. It was the setup was not proper for me. So Blackmagic Designs DaVinci Resolve 16, which is the best thing I've ever used till now. Premiere Pro is also good, but most of the times this comes in handy. So if you want, I'll give full here. You can go to this link and you can download this. And if you want to see the apps interface, I'll just show you over here. So it has cut, edit. So the 7 things, 7 main things. It has everything: cut, edit, fusion. Fusion is a new feature in this, and color, Fairlight, media. Media is importing and exporting. So this is the best thing ever I've ever had. So here it's loading. So let's just check this out a little bit. So you will have trim, which is cut, which you can cut the clips and you can keep them in them, and then you can move to edit, where you can merge the clips, split the clips, add effects to the clips, that way. So it takes time because it needs to match your interface, your software. So everything which I show here is pretty much free. As you can see, it's very easy. There are 2 type of things. Don't get confused over here. When you click on download over here, in the above panel, I'll show you. I got confused over here and I thought I got clickbaited or something. When you click download, you should it'll show over here it's free, because after downloading then only you will get to know, right? So this is the main thing. You should not download Studio 16. You have to download just the DaVinci Resolve. So after you install it, run the things. It's still loading though. So guys, I'll show you this in a couple of minutes. And you can import 4K quality videos, and you can export 4K quality videos. So in the DaVinci Resolve, and pretty much it's same like Premiere Pro, but way easier. So I'll just make a new project up here, create project. So let's see. Yeah, so as you can see, it's pretty much easy and clear over here. So here's the media input, where you can import and export, so import the videos. And here's the cut. If you add some clips over here, you can just split them using this tool over here. And this is the editor. So in this editor, this media pool, yeah, as you can see over here, FX library and all, it's pretty much easy. So here media pool, you need to drag them and place them over here, and you can add the effects to those videos. And the 4th comes, which is fusion. Fusion is helped in everything. Most of the things when you're doing, if you want to make intros, mostly used. And then comes the color. The color is the best thing, where you can make anything. Like you can make the video black and white, saturated. You can increase the saturation, contrast, and etc. And the audio is pretty much damn good. I can't say about it. You can do everything. What else you can do with the audio? Whatever you want. And the last thing comes the delivery. You can do everything. You can do your custom if you want your own type of video, or you can just go with the YouTube, Vimeo. This is the custom, I guess. This is a normal video thing. And Final Cut Pro, if you have to do again, if you want to do it in Final Cut Pro. And Premiere and audio. If you have a video file and you just want the audio, you can just do this. click on this and export, you will get the only audio. So here custom, you can choose up to 4K, 3K, 4K. So yeah, and then you can do pretty much everything you can do on extreme editing software. So yeah, I hope this video helped guys, and thanks for watching. Bye.